rupees 20,000, he sells the article to a consumer in Telangana at a discount of 10% on the printed price. If the rate of GST is 12, fine. The tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to governments, the tax under GST paid by the dealer to the government, and the amount which the government
Which question is in this book? I think. Please read again the starting one.
I think sir, from old book it is question number 10, I think.
Question number 10. A shopkeeper in Delhi buys an article at the printed price of 24,000, right? Is it?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so my screen is
No,
visible
sir,
to
during Maharashtra. It is.
Maharashtra actually.
there it
Okay, actually, I am unable to find that question. So anybody please can send that clip on your WhatsApp of that question.
Sir, I am sending.
Okay, please send it so that I can find the question and I will solve it here.
Sir, I have sent on your personal number.
Okay. Okay, I got this question. So question number 16, you are asking. Okay, let's see this. A dealer in Maharashtra buys an article from a wholesaler in Maharashtra. Okay, so let's see this case. There is a dealer here. Okay. See this. This is a wholesaler and this is in Maharashtra. Is it visible to all of you?
yes, sir.
Okay.
No. Yes, yes.
Okay. So let's see. This is a wholesaler in Maharashtra. Okay, and there's a dealer, and this dealer is a dealer also from Maharashtra. Fine. Dealer in Maharashtra buys an article from a wholesaler in Maharashtra at a discount of 25%. This dealer is buying some articles at some discount. Okay, so there is some discount. That discount equals to 25%. Fine, and the printed price of the article being 20,000. So here the printed price or mark price of that article is rupees 20,000. So let's see this. Okay, he sells the article to a consumer in Telangana, and now this he is selling this article to the consumer, and that consumer belongs to Telangana. Okay, so this is the case of intrastate, and this is the case of interstate.
Interstate.
Okay, fine. So this is the question only. Now let me see again this. So at a discount of 10%, and he is giving the discount of 10%. So here I am writing this discount is equals to 10%. Okay, let's see this. On the printed price, the rate of GST, and here the rate of GST is also given equals to 12%. This is 12%. So find the tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to government. First case, tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to government. Tax paid by wholesaler to government. So this is a case of intrastate. Okay, so here he will pay CGST as well as the SGST. CGST as well as SGST. So this will be levied on the selling price. So first we have to find the selling price. So the printed price is 20,000, right? And he is giving the discount of 25%. So we can find the selling price here. Okay, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
It was disconnected actually due to the poor network. I am connecting again. That is the.
Okay.
Oh my God! Again, I have to draw that things. Okay, see again, I am trying to solve it. This was your wholesaler, and this is your dealer, and this was the consumer. So this is the case of intrastate, and this is the case of interstate. He's selling this to some.
I'm not able to see.
Yes. Are you able?
I'm not able to see.
So it's not visible. The screen is not visible. Anybody?
Now it
Please?
is.
Huh?
Sir, visible. It is visible to me.
Okay. So check your
So
connection.
now it is visible.
Okay, actually there is the problem that is due to the poor network. You connect it, then inshallah it will be visible for everyone. And this is the case of here he is giving the discount of 10%. This was the question. Okay. Okay, and the printed price or the mark price was 20,000. Fine. So the part first, it was asked that how much GST this wholesaler will pay to the government. This we have to calculate, and the rate of GST was given, it was to 12%. Okay. So simple, how we calculate that? We have to find the selling price. First you will find the selling price. Then you can, so selling price will be, this is a discount of 20%. So we can find like, this is 20,000 and 1 minus 20 by 100, because this is
Sir,
the
discount of 25% is given in question 16. 25% discount.
So discount is given 25%.
Okay, so
25% discount is given, sir.
25 is not 20.
here it is 25. Okay, see this 25%. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let me see this. Okay, so we can take this laser. Again, we'll take this. So it is all. Just wait a minute. I have to take that. So this is your 25, right?
Yes, sir.
You can calculate this 20,000 into, it will be your 75 by 100. So you cancel these two zeros and now multiply this here, 200 into 75. So it will be 0, 0, 2 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 7 is 14, 1 15. So this will be the 15,000. So selling price we have calculated here is 15,000. Have you got this? Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
this much only we have got.
fine. So you have to find the GST in part first. It is asking that what is the GST he is paying to the government. So CGST as well as the CGST will be 6% of this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So 6 by 100 into this. So these two zero will cancel out, and this will be 900.
900.
Same as the SGST. SGST is also equals to 900. Fine. So you got this first answer. Okay.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
got
We
it.
got 900, but in the book it is 960.
So this may be the problem in the book
Answers are wrong.
because
We also thought
yes, this is the question only. 25% is there. So if we are subtracting this, so 15,000 will be the selling price. And you know that we have to find the GST on this selling price. Simply the 6% of this is 900. Fine. Got the answer of part first?
I think question is wrong, sir. It is 20%.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
What?
Sir, got.
Yes, sir. We got this answer only.
Okay, so now let's see your second part.
Yes, sir.
The tax and the GST paid by the dealer to the government. So now see this.
Government.
This is the case here. What is the tax the dealer will pay here? So let's see. I'm taking this one. Okay, so how much this dealer will pay? How much this dealer will pay to the government? So you know that this will be the net GST. Okay. So let's clear this. So shall I clear this? But
Yes, sir.
actually-
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this- So let's see this. I told you that he will take the net GST. So net GST will be output minus input. Fine. So here the output GST will be the total GST. The output GST will be 900 plus 900. That is 1800. Okay, for the dealer. And you have to find the input GST. So this is the case of interstate. So this GST will be directly levied on the selling price, that is 12%. So first we have to find the selling price of this dealer. So what is the selling price for this dealer is? The cost price for the dealer is 15,000 and he is giving some discount. Sorry, he is giving the discount on the printed price. So printed price was 20,000 and the discount is 10%. So 20,000.
20,000.
Yes. So 1 minus 10 by
minus 10% of
10.
Okay. So
100.
we will find here
And
it will be
18,000.
90 by 100. So these 0 will cancel out. It will be
18,000.
18,000, right?
18,000.
So, yes. So
18,000.
this is the selling price. Now we have to find the IGST on this selling price. So let's see this. IGST will be 12% of this.
Yes, sir.
So 12% of
yes, sir.
18,000.
GST, sir.
Okay, so this will be 12 by 100 into
18,000.
18,000. Now you just cancel this and multiply this. 6. Wait, 2160, right?
Yes, sir. 2160.
So this is the IGST. And now what was the question? Second part. Let me see.
The tax paid by the dealer to the
Dealer to the
government.
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 Which government?
Government.
Simple government or any specified government?
Simple government is written, sir. Simple
Okay, so
government.
this will be the difference between the
Near
output
to the
GST and the
government.
input GST. So we can find it here. Net GST. So net GST will be output GST minus input. Fine. So the output GST
Input.
is 2160 and minus the input is
1800.
1800. So the answer will be 06
360.
360. Okay, so this is the final answer. Fine.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the answer in the book?
Sir, it's 200. I think, sir.
Huh?
240.
240.
It is 240, sir.
240, right? So this is wrong because it has been calculated according to that. It was coming 960 there. Okay. So have
Yes,
you got
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
So basically, the net GST will be equals to the
Yes.
output minus
Sir.
input. So the net GST will be your 360 because this is the output IGST and this is the input. Fine. So this is the difference between
Okay.
360. So this is the answer of the part second. So now see this part third. The amount which the consumer pays for the article. So what is the total amount the consumer is paying? This will be the cost price for the consumer plus this
CV plus
IGST.
GST.
This IGST, fine. So IGST
GST.
we have calculated this, and let's see the price for the consumer is the selling price by the dealer. So the selling price already we have calculated. This is 18,000. Fine.
18,000.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
the total amount
sir.
the consumer is paying, it will be, we will add both these things. Okay. So
It will be 20160.
yes. So let me remove this down and now find the total amount. Okay, so the total amount will be 18,000 plus The GST is 2160.
18,000 plus
So
2160.
use all the zeros, 6, 1, 280 and 1. So 20,160. This is the total amount this consumer is paying to the government. Right? So this is the answer. Okay, so any other question? Everybody understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
Yes, sir.
which is the next question according to your book? Because today I have brought that.
17.
17, sir.
Okay, 17. I will tell. Please send me the pic because I have brought today the whole one book.
Sir, Rutba sended you that.
17 also, right? Okay, okay.
17, 18 also, yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start this question number 17. So we will start question number 17. So let me read the question first. Okay, so see question number 17. Kiran purchases an article for rupees 5310, which includes 10% rebate on the mark price. Rebate basically the discount and 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. So find the mark price of the articles. So this type of question I told you in one examples also. Okay, so let's see this. So the total amount Kiran paid for the articles, or we can write paid for the articles, equals to rupees 5310, which includes 10% rebate on the mark price. Here there is some discount. This is the
5310.
yes, this is the amount after discount on the mark price. The discount is 10% on mark price. Mark price we don't know. And 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. Okay, so Kiran purchases an article for rupees 5310, which includes 10% rebate on the mark price and the 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. So find the mark price. So let the mark price be Bx. Okay. So mark price minus 10% discount, 10% discount on X. This will equals to
Sir.
5310. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So calculate
Yes, sir.
first the mark price. So X minus 10 by 100 X is equals to 5310. So this will,
Yes, sir.
so it will be your 9x by 10 equals to 5310. So we will find x equals to 5310 into 10 by 9. You can divide this. 9 5s are 45, then 9 9s are 81. 5900. So this was the mark price, right? Have you got it now? Yes, please respond. Are you getting this?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is the mark price. Now, what we have to calculate? Let's see the question. 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. Okay, let me see. Current purchases an article for rupees 5,310, which includes 10% rebate on the mark price and 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. Okay, so actually there is one more condition here. So let's see this first. Let me erase this now. Okay, am I audible now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually it was again disconnected due to poor connection. So again I will explain that. Wait it. This is the problem.
Okay.
So let's see again. This was the question that the total amount the Kiran paid, it was basically 5310 rupees. 5310. This is the total amount she paid. But the condition is that the mark price, we don't know the mark price. We have to find the mark price. But there the condition is that it includes this total price she is paying. It includes 10% discount on the mark price and 18% tax on the remaining price also. So let's see, let the mark price be X. Okay, so the discount is 10% on X.
10%.
It will be 10 by 100 into X. Fine. So this is, you can say, X by 10. This is the discount given on this. And after this discount, what is the price left? Okay, the price after discount, or we can say the selling price. Okay, it is basically the mark price minus this discount, right? This will be your 9 by 10x. Fine. So the condition is that this total amount 5310, this will equals to this one.
Yes, sir.
9 by 10
Sir, we will also take 18% of 9x by
What is this?
Okay, listen me. Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so have
Yes,
you
sir. Yes.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
Yes, sir, understood.
okay. Again, I'm explaining this equation. Basically, the main thing is that how we made this equation. Okay. So see here, this is the total amount. This is the total amount that Kiran is paying to the shopkeeper. Okay. This is the total amount she is paying. So basically, what is the condition is that there is some mark price. We don't know the mark price, so we assume that mark price as X. Okay, so there is a rebate means discount, 10% discount on this mark price. So after discount, X minus 10% of X, we are getting this. So this is basically the selling price of for the shopkeeper.